Stir-fry the potatoes. Slice the potatoes thinly, then julienne them into thin strips. Soak the julienned potatoes in water to remove the starch. This will prevent the potatoes from sticking together and make them more delicious. After removing the starch, drain the potatoes and place them in a strainer to remove the excess water. Slice one green onion thinly. If you have a bacon or ham, slice it thinly. If not, you can skip this step. Mix the drained potatoes with the bacon, half teaspoon of salt, a bit of pepper, and half tablespoon of cooking oil, and a bit of chopped green onions. Cover with a microwave safe lid. Microwave for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, be cautious as the container will be hot. If it tastes bland, add a bit salt. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and half tablespoon of sesame oil to your preference. Simple and delicious stir-fried potatoes is done. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.